This is the official Paaso Racing vented oil bottle cap installation video. You might want to grab a piece of paper and a pencil and take notes. Step 1. Remove side panel. Careful. Step 2. Remove original oil bottle cap. Step 3. Install new oil bottle cap. Step 4, which is optional, zip tie the vent hose to the overstructure. I've placed a couple of zip ties here ahead of time so that I can do this one-handed. Tighten the zip ties just snug. You don't want to pinch the hose. With this setup, it now becomes impossible to drop your oil cap when filling the oil. Simply remove, fill, reinstall. Last step, put the side panel back on. And you're done.